Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 810 Northeast 84th. The date is June 25th, 2020. I'm recording this from the clean out here in the backyard of 810. This is a line servicing houses to the north. This line does not service 810. This is a common shared line by a couple of houses north of 810, but runs through their yard. So they've installed a clean out here. I'm going to pull back. We're about 120 feet out right now. This is the farthest I can push my camera. We're not quite to the city main sewer. There's a bit of a lip in a pipe down there. We're probably under the street somewhere right now. Little lip in the pipe. And I'm unable to pop over that just due to the distance and amount of turns I've gone through. So I'm going to pull back from this spot. We'll get a look at the line and assess condition. So we've got a number of roots down there in the line. This is old concrete 6-inch pipe. So 6-inch diameter shared pipe. That's the turn out towards the front of the house, maybe near the sidewalk, where it starts turning out towards the street. We're going to come back, try to find the next turn, which is where I'm going to locate and recommend lining up to. So, upside down now. Got quite a bit of sewage and dirt and rock down in the line down here, indicating to me we've got some failure over at some point in this sewer that's allowing rocks to enter the pipe. And that's quite a ways out there. Well, here's that other turn. I'm going to go locate this right now. I'm going to pause the video here and get a locate. Alright, I'm continuing the recording now. This is the turn spot. We're going to zero out our footage, come back from here, and then get an idea of what this liner would entail and cost in that. So zeroed out there, coming back. There's a repair, an SDR35 plastic repair that was installed at some point through that stretch. Good 4 or 5 foot section there, and back into 6-inch concrete pipe. This is kind of the section of the line in question here as it runs alongside parallel with the house. Got some sewage being held up right there. It's like some tampons. A little bit of pooling there. Pipe is pretty well deteriorated along the bottom as well. Some root intrusion as we're coming back there, so roots have penetrated the pipe. Pretty good amount there too. Got at least 60+% of the pipe being covered with sewage there. And then we've got a little bit of standing water and sewage in the clean out itself. So we're looking at, footage wise on the liner, 65 feet, and coming back out of the pipe there, recorded from this clean out access here in the backyard of 810. I'm going to finish the video there and work on a proposal.